ICI's TCAM 300 is a handheld thermal imaging solution designed to help users visualize and troubleshoot heating and cooling equipment and systems, as well as building envelopes to improve efficiency and reduce energy costs. The TCAM 300 assists users in locating missing, damaged, or inadequate insulation, unbalanced loads, or moisture intrusion. Pinpoint faulty fuses, circuit breakers, and other electrical issues so personnel can respond to problems quickly. Inspect the performance of air conditioning vents and units to determine the source of HVAC airflow and equipment issues. Find air leaks caused by failing windows, leaky doorways, and loose ductwork. Locate areas of moisture intrusion and hidden water leaks in order to make informed decisions on repairs. With leading pixel resolution, accuracy, and sensitivity, the TCAM 300 quickly identifies and diagnoses the hidden causes of energy loss in residential and commercial buildings. The 2.8-inch LCD screen allows the user to quickly adjust settings, perform on-site analysis, and review captured images. The device's sturdy design and 2-meter drop rating protects your device from accidental falls, meeting the demands of home and business inspections, as well as other challenging work environments. The camera also comes with a 2-year warranty as well as virtual and on-site support. For more information, please contact your designated ICI sales representative or visit us at www.infraredcameras.com.